welcome to my new video on my channel. I bought me some lighting for helping me in my drawing. Now I have just a light strip, a LED strip just above my desk, and it's awful because I have multiple shadows just under my hand on the drawing, so I don't really see what's happening on my drawing. So I bought me some lighting. This is a pretty big light panel that will be just above me, and the best thing about this is that it will be one big light and not 20-30 little dots, LEDs that will make multiple shadows everywhere. So we will see what we have in there, and I will see how I will fix it above my desk. So there is the light panel, there is a cable for electricity. This thing I will see what it is, but I think it's a connector of the panel to the cable here. And we have a panel light fittings. So this is what I took to install my panel. I think I will fix it on the ceiling. So I bought me a cable to connect my light panel to the electricity, but I had one with a switch, so that's a much better option for me. So it actually works fine. Now I have those things. And this I will need to hang it on the ceiling. We will see how it will go. So to not make 4 holes in my ceiling, I made something like this. So I need just 2 holes, and the 4 mounting parts are on this piece of wood. Here we have the cables that we need to fix on this piece of wood. So as you can see, there is one part with something like this, and there is nothing at the other parts. I put it through the hole here, and we have 4 of them. So now we have this piece. We need to put it through there, this way, and we screw it in. it works fine.